Good morning. How are you today there? Are you good, right? Well, usually I don't talk too much on my videos, but now on my motor vlog, maybe I'm a little bit talk too much. Well, actually I'm in Madura Island in my hometown, but last night I got an information from my friends that today, what do you call that, there will be a race, but it's quiet, funny race. I don't think so. It's not funny actually. It was my toys before when I was child. But I'm quite surprised last night when my friend called me by phone. I was quite surprised because that toy I used to play that toy when I was child and disappear. Whoa. You know, about 40 years I think, and now the toys come out again now. Actually, that is traditional toys from Madura Island. The miniature of bull races, but not real bulls or cow. It's just a toy. It's just a game. But it's you know, traditional one. Well, let's check it out.
Enam, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lanjut semakin ke pasangan nomor 1. 8, 7, 6, 7, 6. Awas. Awas. Awas 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Akan juga kedua, bau 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 30. Awas 30. Awas 30. Awas 20. Awas 10, 9, 8, 7. Lanjut serang. Awas 20. Awas persiapan 20. Awas 10, 9, 8 ya.